Hey y'all, it's Grace at LivingWell Realty, checking in at the tribute on this beautiful American Legend home for my clients. So let's go take a look. It's really windy outside, so I'm already inside. I got a head start, but I'll take y'all back out front and we'll start from the beginning. Let's go check it out. So they have finished the roof. And we have a temporary door on here. So that's great. We'll go in through the front door. And this is obviously just temporary. It's what they use to make sure that the construction crews don't mess up your door and whatnot. All right. So look at all this progress. So we have, this is the electrical rough out. So this is all of the electric through your house is getting set up, ready to go. So you'll see all of those wires. So once we do your pre-drywall walk, we'll come through and make sure that everything that you picked out, where all of the outlets are, make sure all of that is in the right place. Because I know we moved quite a few things, and American Legend has been awesome about letting y'all move things that you don't want, rearrange a bit. And we have your bathtub in. So you can tell, so this is where the sink is gonna be. And typically these red tubes refer to the hot water, and then you'll see either white or blue for the cold water. So you'll see that. We have all of these wires running through, which is awesome. So you can see all of your outlets. They have, so the original plan had the outlets under the window, but I know y'all wanted to move it next to it. And so they have made that to code. There are a lot of rules that they have to follow, but they have been very helpful. So then you can see they already have, for your air, the HVAC, they've installed way up there. So that's in the attic. So this right here, you can see all of that up in the attic. And then you can see these are your vents that you'll have. So one is for inflow and outflow. Man, it is windy today. You can probably hear it out there. All right, your living room. So you can see where your can lights are gonna be, and then you'll have one light way up there in the beam. You'll see a lot of writing on the floors, on the wood. And that's just how they communicate with each other. So the construction manager to the crew and whatnot. So you can see all of your different vents, which is pretty fun to kind of be able to tell exactly where things are going to be now that it's all coming together. And so an interesting step right around this part of the process. So there's 4 main elements that you have to have when you are building before you can start to do your electrical, your drywall, all of that. And so those elements, they seal off the exterior environment. So you're going to want to see framing, windows, the roof, and exterior cladding. And once all of that is done, it seals it off from the wind, rain, all of that. And then they can start to do electric, and then the drywall, which is essentially, it's like chalk. And then on either side of it is paper. So obviously that can't get wet, it would deteriorate. So in here we'll have your his and her sinks. So we are in the master bathroom. You can see where all of your switches will be. and the shower. Man, it is almost time for the pre-drywall walkthrough. And I know y'all aren't going to be able to make it, but we can FaceTime for that. It is so exciting. We're getting so close. All right, I'll flip the camera back around. All right, y'all, that's it for today. We are super close to doing the pre-drywall walkthrough. I'm excited to help y'all out with that. I know that'll be the next big step. And then, of course, we'll do the pre-drywall inspection, which is super important. Go watch Brent's video if you haven't yet to get some more detail about that. And if you're watching this wanting to buy or build, I would love to help you. So click the button below, reach out to me, and let's try to find you a house. Okay, y'all stay blessed.